In the name of Allah, the Gracious, the Merciful. Did we not soothe your heart, and lift from you your burden, which weighed down your back, and raised for you your reputation? With hardship comes ease. With hardship comes ease. When your work is done, turn to devotion, and to your Lord turn for everything. In the name of Allah, the Gracious, the Merciful. By the fig and the olive, and Mount Sinai, and this safe land, we created man in the best design, then reduced him to the lowest of the low. Except those who believe and do righteous deeds, for them is a reward without end. So why do you still reject the religion? Is Allah not the wisest of the wise? In the name of Allah, the Gracious, the Merciful. Read, in the name of your Lord who created man from a clot. Read, and your Lord is the most generous. He who taught by the pen, taught man what he never knew. In fact, man oversteps all bounds when he considers himself exempt. But to your Lord is the return. Have you seen him who prevents a servant when he prays? Do you think he is upon guidance, or advocates righteousness? Do you see how he disbelieved and turned away? Does he not know that Allah sees? No. If he does not desist, we will drag him by the forelock. A deceitful, sinful forelock. Let him call on his gang. We will call the guards. No, do not obey him, but kneel down, and come near. In the name of Allah, the Gracious, the Merciful. We sent it down on the night of decree. But what will convey to you what the night of decree is? The night of decree is better than 1,000 months. In it descend the angels and the Spirit, by the leave of their Lord, with every command. Peace it is, until the rise of dawn. In the name of Allah, the Gracious, the Merciful. Those who disbelieved among the people of the Scripture, and the polytheists, were not apart, until the clear evidence came to them. A messenger from Allah reciting purified scripts. In their more valuable writings. Those who were given the Scripture did not splinter, except after the clear evidence came to them. They were commanded only to worship Allah, devoting their faith to Him alone, and to practice regular prayer, and to give alms. That is the upright religion. Those who disbelieve among the people of the Scripture, and the polytheists, will be in the fire of hell, where they will abide forever. These are the worst of creatures. As for those who believe and lead a righteous life, these are the best of creatures. Their reward is with their Lord, gardens of eternity beneath which rivers flow, where they will abide forever. Allah is pleased with them, and they are pleased with Him. That is for whoever fears his Lord. In the name of Allah, the Gracious, the Merciful. When the earth is shaken with its quake, and the earth brings out its loads, and man says, what is the matter with it? On that day, it will tell its tales. For your Lord will have inspired it. On that day, the people will emerge in droves, to be shown their works. Whoever has done an atom's weight of good will see it. And whoever has done an atom's weight of evil will see it. In the name of Allah, the Gracious, the Merciful. By the racers panting, igniting sparks, raiding at dawn, raising clouds of dust, storming into the midst. Indeed, the human being is ungrateful to his Lord, and he bears witness to that. And he is fierce in his love of wealth. Does he not know? When the contents of the graves are scattered around, and the contents of the hearts are obtained, their Lord, on that day, is fully informed of them,